Hello, and welcome to YogTrailers. Taking a look at video game trailers. It's a plane. I'm guessing this is some sort of flying game, Lewis.
Yeah, looks like a war sim with old fighter planes here.
Wow.
Um,
Oh, God, it's beautiful, isn't it?
it's very elegant, isn't it? Very
It
pretty.
is.
The detail on those planes is pretty
I
astonishing.
know.
Oh
Wow.
wow, it does look very real, doesn't it? I
It
think
looks
it's just the
good.
little things though that make it look realistic.
Oh no! Oh no! He lost it. He lost his wing. I almost said arm. Planes don't have arms, do they?
No. Birds
No.
of Steel.
I don't know if I can wait until early 2012. That's a long time away.
Gaijin Entertainment. Doesn't that mean foreigner?
Ugu.